you know, here we give some input nothing but remember x values. Output means we get y value. Input is given by, input means x value which is belongs to domain, b is codomain, right? Here x is related to y nothing but f of x. If I take f here, f is a mapping from a to b, so x image is given by f of x, image of x is given by f of x. So generally we can consider f of x as y, like that. So input or x value, output or y values. Is it clear? So according to the input, we have to write the output. Input means I said clearly x values. So what are the x value in this question? X is a natural number. Just we have to take less than 4. Less than 4 means what are the inputs we need to give here? Yes. 1, 2, 3 alone. Okay. Then we have to write according to the condition. See, they clearly they given y is equal to x plus 5. Y is equal to x plus 5. So what are the x values? Possible x values here? 1, 2, 3 alone. So 1, 2, 3 are the natural number. These are less than 4. Fine. So what is the R we are going to get? Yes, students. What are the possible order pairs? Give x, substitute x is equal to 1 here. 1, comma y value is 6. Substitute x is equal to 2 here. 2, x value is 2. 7. Substitute x value is 3 here. Y value becomes
8.
8. These are the only possible values. Okay. Can we substitute x is equal to 4?
No, sir, less than.
No, sir.
Yeah, clearly they give. Okay, this is the roster form. So we return the relation in roster form. This is completed. Now we need to write down the domain and the range. Domain and the range. Can anyone tell that what is the domain here? Domain.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, the set of all first elements or first components is given by domain. So domain of given relation is given by 1, 2, 3. What is the range?
5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, 6, 7, 8. Okay, can anyone tell that what is the codomain? Codomain.
Natural number.
Set of all natural numbers.
Exactly, because x and y belongs to n. The set of all natural number will be the codomain. If you want to write properly or proper steps, okay. Oh, it's completed. Right. So here, I hope that everyone has understood. Let us do the third one. For third question, I will write the proper steps. So what is the third question? Second question, can anyone having any doubts? Because they given the relation is y is equal to x plus 5, I think. X plus 5. Here x comma y belongs to natural number. And x value is lesser than 4, then which implies the possible x values are 1, 2, 3 alone. Now the relation in roster form. So if you want to write more number of steps, when x is equal to 1, then y becomes 1 plus 5, this is 6. When x is equal to 2, y value is 2 plus 5 is 7. But x is equal to 3, y value is 3 plus 5, it is 8. Okay, we got therefore the relation in roster form. Roster form is capital R is equal to, you can write the possible order 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 8. I have written roster form, therefore the domain. Like that, you have to write the steps. Okay, because especially JEE students, when I observe in slip test and all, they know correct answer. They'll write correct answer, but they don't write proper steps. They did not write even your seniors, super seniors. Okay, don't do that mistake in exam, like board exam. In objective, no need to write answer with the help of this. You have to write directly roster form. Even no need to write roster form also. They ask domain directly. Say x values are domain always, y values are range. Y values is given by range. So domain of capital R is given by uh, is clearly equal to just 1, 2, 3. Then after that, the range of the given relation is given by, like that you have to write proper steps. Okay, let us go for third question. Third question, a value they given 1, 2, 3, 5. Third question, a value is 1, 2, 3, 5. Am I right? What is b value?
4, 6, and 9.
4, 6, and 9. Right? Fine. What is the question? Define a relation R from A to B. Okay, let us consider this is A, this is B, like that. Relation from A to B. So here x comma y such that the difference between x and y is R. Okay. X belongs to A, y belongs to B. R, write R in roster form. Already, already they given set builder form. Statement is given x comma y such that the difference between x and y must be R. You can take x and y. So here these are the x values, these are the y values, right? So here clearly these are the x values, these are the y values. Then we need to write the possible. Nothing but x minus y must be equal to R. Not only x minus y, even you can take y minus x also. Anyhow, the difference between both the number must be R. Okay. See here, students. So what are the possible order pairs?
1, 4, 1, 6.
1, 4. Okay, 1 minus 4 is
Minus
3. Okay, 4 minus 1 is 3, odd number, right?
1,
Then 1, 6 means 6 minus 1, 5, odd number.
2, 9.
Why can't we take 1, 9?
So because it's 8 minus 8. It's
8, 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 is even number, but we need the difference is odd. Okay, fine, very good. 2,
9.
9. Don't take 2, 4 because the difference is even, right? Then
3, 4. 4.
Then
3, 6.
Okay.
5, 4.
5,
and
4. 5, 6. Exactly. Is it clear, student? If you observe that, you can take any order pair here. The difference between those numbers will be odd. 4 minus 1, 6 minus 1, 1 minus 6, 2 minus 9 or 9 minus 2, it will be odd. These are the possible order pairs in roster form. Clear? Right,
So for
question
this
number.
also you have to write the steps, sir.
Yeah. This also you can write
Sir,
the
for
steps.
this also you have to write.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir.
So you know how to write the steps and all. You can create more number of steps. But anyhow, this kind of questions, answer is correct, it is okay. The steps and all you can write whatever you want. Like here clearly the xb any element belongs to a, y is any element belongs to b, then x minus y. Like that you can explain, right? Fourth question. Okay, in figure, the figure 2.7 shows a relationship between sets P and Q, right? Write the relation in set builder form. roster form. Okay, already we've seen that writing roster form, it's nothing. It's very easy. So 5 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 7 comma 5. Okay, already I explained in previous class. This is the roster form of given relation 5 comma 3, 6 comma 4, and 7 comma 5. Okay, this is roster form. Set builder form also very easy.
Write this as function,
Such that a minus b equal to
Sir, y is equal to x plus x minus 2.
Roster set builder form means first you should write. You must be write this. This is common for all the set builder form. R is equal to x comma y such that until it
Difference
is
between x and
common.
X belongs
Yeah.
to A, Y belongs to B.
And where x belongs to a.
We can write like this.
Y belongs to q.
equal to 2.
That what will you write here? The set builder form.
Such
X
that the
minus a
difference
equal
between
to 2.
X belongs A, y belongs.
Belongs to b.
We can write like this. Okay, we can write in two, three ways. Y is equal to. Shall I write x minus?
X minus 2. Then we should write
Take
x as
x belongs
Belongs to a and
x values are. What are the x values? Here? 5, 6, 7.
y belongs
sir 5 greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to 7.
Okay, this is one way to write. One way, and you only tell me like all possible set builder forms up to a fixed. Anyone? Yes.
sir x minus y equal to 2.
How will x minus? Okay,
Say
that
X
is okay.
equal to Y plus 2, sir.
No need to write like that. See, this is okay in words. See, here x is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. Somebody said that x minus y is equal to 2. Here,
X belongs to a and y belongs to b, sir. So we can write it as x belongs to a and y belongs to b, no sir.
of course, see, y belongs to b. So in the question, okay, x belongs to a, x belongs to p, y belongs to q. Am I right?
Sir.
Whenever you want to write x belongs to p and y belongs to q, okay, fine. Because here, they given arrow diagram, we can write like that also. Good. Sure. X belongs to p, y belongs to q. Is this right? X belongs to natural number, x from 5 to 7. Then in other way, right? The difference
Between x and y is 2.
x and y is 2, such that
Greater than y.
x belongs to natural number, 4 lesser than x lesser than 8, and x is belongs to p and y is belongs to q. See how many ways we can read it. But roster form will get only one way. So, but we can write in different way the set builder form. Clear, students?
Sir, I have doubt in substitution, sir.
Yeah, what is your doubt?
I have given that b is completely divisible by a, sir.
B is completely.
Divisible
Oh,
by
next question. Next question. Okay.
So one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
So fourth question, sir.
Okay.
Can you tell this as function, sir?
Fourth question. Obviously, it is a function.
it's a relation and function.
It is a function. Clearly, only the thing is to check the function. All elements are related or not. All elements having images or not. Okay, here all are connected to some element here.
Unique
All
image.
elements are mapped. Okay, and also unique image. That is very important. First point is all the elements must be related, and all elements should have unique relation. Okay, unique. But we may take see here. Is this function? One
No, sir.
student can go to two different classrooms? No. Always try to remember in your mind. So set A with a set of students, B with a set of classrooms. Okay. Like that you have to remember. So the students can go to a single classroom, but one student cannot go to two or more classrooms, different classrooms at a time, right? That is enough to understand the function.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Fine. So you're coming to question number 5. Here, A is given 1 to 6. R with the relation they defined by A comma B, such that A comma belongs to A, B exactly divisible by A.
Yes, sir. We should write in a 1, comma
Most of
2
them.
or 2, comma 1, sir.
Yeah. What do you want to like roster form? Tell me. 1.
1, comma 1 is there, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
2
if
comma
equal to 1 and A equal to 2, then 2, comma 1 only should come, sir.
2 comma 1 you are saying, or 1 comma 2 is saying? Yeah, any one student easier 1 comma 2 is correct or 2 comma 1 is correct?
Sir, 2, comma 1 only, sir.
What is this? B is exactly divisible by A.
Yes, sir.
1
Exactly
comma 2.
divisible. 1 comma 2 is correct. Then what is, if you write 2 comma 1, you know, A value is 2, B value is 1. The meaning is given by A is exactly divisible by B is not. Because when we B is divisible by A means 2 divided by, yeah, 2 will divide. 1 is 2 is divisible by A. Then in the same way,
1, comma 3, 1,
write
comma
in
4.
roster form, then domain range. If you write roster form, automatically we'll get domain and right. First, I'm going to take A value, question number 5. What is A is given?
1, 2,
1,
3,
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
5,
Sir,
6.
5 will not come, sir.
Oh, 5 is not there. Okay, fine. Fine. This is the given set. Here, clearly in the relation, if you observe that, they define the relation A, B must be belongs to A. Nothing but input will take 1 to 6. Output also belongs to B means output. A means input. Input 1 to 6 and output also. So the relation they define B is exactly divisible by A. So the possible order pairs we need to write.
1, comma 1, 1, comma 2,
1 comma 1,
1, comma 2, 1, comma 3, 1, comma 4, 1, comma 6, 2, comma 4, 2, comma 6,
2, 2,
3, comma 6.
yeah, 2 comma 2, right,
2, comma 6.
forget to write 2 comma 2.
2,
2,
4, 2,
2,
6,
4, 2, 6,
3, 3,
3, 3,
3,
3,
6.
6, 4, 4, 6, 6.
Any other possible value,
No,
possible
sir.
order pairs?
Totally
No.
12 should be there, sir.
Yes, only
Totally
12.
12 should be there.
Right, 12 we got. So these are the possible order pairs. Don't forget to write any order pair, right? We should write all the order pairs. Now, this is in roster form. Now I'm going to write domain. Domain of capital R is equal to anyone. Domain means the set of all the first component. Am I right?
So
Sir,
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, sir.
1, 2.
3,
3,
4,
4,
6.
6.
So I think complete set. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6. The set of all first components. Then range. The set of all second component.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
1,
2,
2.
3, 4, 6.
So all. Then codomain. Anyone? They did not ask, even though we'll write. What is codomain here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
So again,
Same, sir. All numbers are involved.
Nothing but, so what do you observe here? Here codomain is equal to range. Range is equal to codomain. Actually, in a function concept, when you see that, when the range is equal to codomain, always the function is onto function. Onto function. One function, onto function. That's it. Types of function one and onto. If you able to understand this one and onto, okay, many questions are there, because this is very useful too in trigonometry, inverse trigonometry, even calculus. In calculus, it may be differential calculus, it may be integral calculus, everywhere. Okay, because inverse of a function especially. Because what is the mean by one? See here, if you see this arrow diagram, different elements having distinct elements of A having distinct elements of B, mapping to distinct elements. Am I right? First of all, it is function. Distinct element of A having distinct images, not same image. For example, if I take here 1, 2, 3, here x, y. 1 is mapping to x, 2 is mapping to x, 3 is mapping to y. Is it function?
Yes, sir.
Is it function or not?
Yes, sir. It is a
First
function.
two students go to X classroom, third student go to Y classroom. Possibility is there. Function. But is it one function? No. Because 1 and 2 are having same image. We can't say 1 to 1. 1 to 1 means one element should have one image alone. But here, 1 is distinct images. Distinct images. See, 5 is mapping to 3. 6 is mapping to 4, 7 is mapping to 5. So distinct elements having distinct images, so that this is one function. One function. But here coming to second one, this one is not one. It's not one. And also, what is the mean by onto? Only two functions. One function, onto function. One onto. One onto. If the function is one and onto, then it is called bisecting. If the function satisfies one and onto, bisect. Okay, what is the mean by onto? If all the elements having pre-images, look at here. So all the elements of Q having pre-images or not? 3 having any pre-images? Yes. 4 having any pre-images? Yes. 5 having any pre-images? Yes. This is onto. One means different elements having different images. Onto nothing but each and every element of codomain should have pre-image. This is onto also. But here, is it onto? All the elements having pre-images or not? Yes, sir. Only two elements, X and Y, pre-images. I'll explain you very clearly. It is not in class 11. It belongs to class 12. So if I take, for example, Z here, Z, is there any pre-images for Z?
Not it.
No, it is not onto. It is not one. It is not onto, because not one means, see here, 1 and 2 having same image, distinct elements having same image, not one. And also Z not having pre-images, not onto. But is it function? It is function, but not one, not onto. But above, this is example of one function and onto function. Okay, just having some idea, it is important. Okay. Right, students, then we'll go for question number 6.
Sir, can you again explain onto function, sir?
Onto function.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll explain you simple way. Okay. Okay, and now if you take here, see here, onto function, concept I'm going to explain. X, Y, Z. Okay, can anyone tell that if I take here, this is capital A, this is capital B, anyone can say what is the domain here? Domain.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Right. What is the range here?
X
range?
Y.
X,
Z, sir.
X, Y. Yes or no?
Y, so Y, sir. Okay, sir.
Then codomain. Can anyone tell that what is
X Y
codomain?
and Z.
X, Y,
Z.
Z. I'm taking Z also. Z is also element. Z is also element, but Z do not having any pre-images. So here Z also. Then what do you observe here? Is your range is equal to codomain?
No, sir.
No, sir.
That's it. It is not onto. Even no need to check every element having pre-images or not. So range is equal to codomain. It is onto. Range is not equal to codomain. It is not onto. Equal to onto. Not equal, not onto. For example, see here this Venn diagram. What is the range here? A range of Q.
3.
Range of F. 3, 4, 5. Yes or no? Range will be 3, 4, 5.
Also 3, 4, 5 only, sir.
What is codomain?
Sir, 3, 4, 5.
Range is equal to codomain. That's it. One way you can remember all the elements of codomain should be having pre-images. It is onto. In another way, range is equal to codomain onto. Both will be same. We can we are defining different way. We are saying that the same concept onto in different way. That's it. Anyhow, after completion of this relation, in concept, the concept is functional. In that functions, I will explain very clearly. Okay. Right. Coming to question number 6. What is the answer? You only do. You can try to do yourself all the questions because you know all are easy only. No? The answer. What is the answer? Determine the domain and range. Yeah, x comma x plus 5. Very easy. First write in roster form. I'm going to write roster form here. Okay, these are the x values. What is the relation they given? X comma x plus 5. First one must be x. When I take x value 0, what is x plus 5?
5,
0
sir.
plus 5? 5. This is 1. If I take x value is 1,
6.
output is 6. If I give input is 2, what is output?
7.
7.
3 comma 8, 4 comma
9 and 5 comma 10.
5 comma 10. Input is 5, output is 10. Now what do you observe? What is the domain here?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5.
First components, nothing but same, all values. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is clearly domain. Range,
The second elements. 5, 6, 7,
range.
8 and 9 and 10.
Exactly. So they defined, determine the domain and relation defined by x belongs to. Okay, fine. So range will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't think that here, sir, here 6 is not belongs to x. Then can we say that is it belongs to range? No, here condition is not given here. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 also you can take. So domain is clearly equal to 0 to 5 and range will be
5,
5 to
7.
10. That's it. They're asking domain range alone.
So what will be codomain, sir?
No need. Codomain is we can't say here because you know here they did not define, they did not mention anything whether they define relation on capital N or R or integer something. Particularly not given here, not required to write codomain. Okay, right. Next step, seventh one. Write it fastly. Roster form.
Sir, 2, 8, 3, 27, 5, 125, 7, 343.
First, x is a prime number less than 7. First, you should write all the prime number lesser than 10. Okay, the question is here. What is the question? Number 7. X is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. That's it.
Yes, sir.
That's all, sir.
These are the prime number lesser than 7. Fine. They given a relation here. Relation x comma x cube, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you able to write in roster form?
2, 8, 3, 27, 5, 125, and 7, 3,
Right, 3 comma 27, 4, sorry, not 5 comma
125, 7,
7, 343.
343.
343. Right, what is the domain?
2, 3, 5,
2,
7.
3, 5,
2,
and
3,
7.
5, 7.
Range?
It went
27,
second
125, 343.
Right, that's it. That's enough. But they're asking just in roster form, but we return even domain coding also, right? Eighth one. XYZ, these one to find the number of relations. Number of relations. Answer.
2 power m, sir. 2 power 6 is 64.
Students, we know very well n of A, number of elements in A. How many? 3. Number of elements in B, how many?
2.
2. The number
2
of
power 3,
relation.
so 2 power 6.
Number of
Partition
relations.
product 6, sir.
2 power PQ.
2 power 6, sir.
Exactly. Because simply you can write that. Given that the number, given that you can write A set, B set, then the number of elements in
64.
A is n of A is equal to 3. The number of elements in B, n of B is equal to 2. Like that, you have to write the steps. Therefore, we know that the number of relations from A to B is given by 2 to the power of n of A into 2 to the power of n of B, 2 into 3 into 2, that is 2 power 6. That you know very well, 2 power 6 value. Am I right?
64.
Right. Answer is 64. Right. Correct answer. Now, last question in this exercise. R with a relation on Z. Clearly, see, clearly they mention relation on Z. Nothing but codomain we can say Z. Yes or no? B belongs to Z means this is okay. A minus B is an integer. Find the domain and the range. Find the domain and range. All students, anyone can say the answer.
So it will be
Both
integers.
are Z, sir.
Both are
Z,
Z.
integers.
domain is integer, set of all integers. Codomain also, I mean range also set of all integers.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is just logical question. Okay, they define an integer. A and B are integer. When two integer, difference between any two integer, like I'm taking 2 is an integer, B is 10, 2 is A, B is 10. I'm getting minus 8. Is it integer or not?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is possible for every integer. So that domain is set of an integer, range is set of all integers, and codomain also integer. All are integers only, right?
Sir, closure property.
Hmm?
Closure property of integers, sir.
Yes.